The GARDENA Robotic Lawnmower operates completely on its own and mows the lawn independently. When required, it automatically returns to the charging station. A boundary wire defines the lawn area to be mowed, and a sensor in the robotic lawnmower ensures that it remains within this area. It works by mowing the grass in a random pattern. Daily mowing and mulching guarantee a perfect lawn. As the robotic lawnmower has a collision sensor, some obstacles do not require a boundary wire. The GARDENA Robotic Lawnmower tackles inclines up to 25% and also mows during rain. It works quietly, saves energy, and is emission-free. Each garden has its own challenges. Observe your mower in action after installation and, if necessary, make small adjustments for optimal functioning.